The Westerdam had been wandering the seas, turned away from port after port because of coronavirus fears. Thailand, Japan, Guam, Taiwan and the Philippines all refused to let it dock. Finally, Cambodia said okay.
Cambodia let us go. Even the United States, Guam did not let us land, but Cambodia did. So that's wonderful, absolutely wonderful. We appreciate it very, very much. Very much. It's been a long struggle, and we appreciate everyone being here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
This is what those countries feared. COVID-19 showing up at their door, and in great numbers. More than 200 people on board the Diamond Princess, moored in Yokohama, Japan, have been confirmed to have the new coronavirus. It is the single largest cluster outside China. 3,500 people are still on the ship, quarantined for 2 weeks, a floating isolation unit. Elderly passengers who have tested negative will be allowed off earlier, though. Hubei province in China is still the main battleground. Temporary hospitals like this have been built for 5,600 patients with mild symptoms. There's been a huge rise in the number of cases since Chinese authorities widened the criteria for a diagnosis, amid fears that tests were not always effective.
We've had a problem of that sort in the United States as well. Whenever there's an entirely new health challenge and we're trying to build tests, there are difficulties in optimizing them, rolling them out, producing them, distributing them, and this has been the problem.
Fears about the new coronavirus have meant that big events like the Shanghai Grand Prix and the Hong Kong Rugby Sevens have been postponed. The Tokyo Olympics open on July the 24th, and as it stands, they will be going ahead.
We can confirm that Tokyo 2020 remains on track to showcase the very best of the city in Japan and to present the best opportunities for the world's best athletes to perform.
As the death toll rises, scientists continue to study the virus itself, work necessary for producing a vaccine. That will take months, though. Countries around the world must take what care they can and wait it out.